What are we doing in the workshop today, Scarlett?
Working.
Yeah, of course.
And I'm drawing. Look at my house.
It's a good house, darling. You going to put a roof on it?
No, it's going to have an upstairs.
Oh, okay. That makes sense. Okay. Cleaned the Volvo. That was covered in mud. Cleaned the van. That was covered in traffic film. Bit of a pea soup of a day, but it's not too bad. Got some lights at the auction. Sort the tool stack out for next week. GMC, not done much to that. That's my selector I've been working on, not done much to that either. Building some stairs for upstairs. We'll be able to climb up there safely. Got the laser cutter. Josh got to the bottom of the earth leakage fault. Turned out it's this little air compressor thing, but we're going to run it off the shop air anyway, so that's not a problem. Issue with it now is the USB drivers, so we're going to see if we can compile a G code for it and make it chooch that way. But the laser does run, so that's good. You love being at the workshop, don't you, Scarlett? Yeah. Who's that?
It's people.
Oh, they're having a party in that house, huh?
Yeah, it's their birthday who had that house.
Is it really? That's really cool. So anyway, I thought I'd give you a little quick update because I'm not going to get a proper video out this week. I'm going to leave you with a bit of footage I took. I'm doing some development for a linear sensor.
Just show people and be quiet and to show them some pictures of stuff and keep it on film mode and do that.
You telling me how to make videos now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is that what you think I'll do?
Alright, I've got to show you this. I've literally used ChatGPT to create this code, copied it into the Arduino IDE, connected it up as it told me to. Right, so I'm now going to pull this out, pull it out a little bit, reverse, neutral, drive, 2, and 1. That's awesome. So goodbye everybody, hope you enjoyed the videos.
Goodbye everybody, I hope you enjoy all the other videos you've got on your TV channel.
Say bye bye.
Bye bye.
See ya.
See ya.